So how do you challenge and dismiss a CPS case in the state of California? Well, the first thing to do is you have to figure out what you are being accused for. From there, you also want to look at the allegations, see what they're saying, what letters in the allegation are. Is it an A? Is it a B? Is it a C? Is it a D? And so on and so forth. After that, you want to see if that particular allegation that they're accusing for, they being the Department of Children and Family Services or Child Protective Services, there has to be some sort of nexus, some sort of connection that conduct harmed or caused, or is some sort of connection that harmed your children physically, emotionally. If it does not, then there's a disconnect. And because of that disconnection, the allegation cannot be found true. And this is an argument you can make in front of a judge, saying that there's no nexus, there's no connection between his or her conduct to why the child is injured or harmed in any sort of way. For example, if the case opened due to domestic violence, and during the interview, it was discovered that one of the parents smokes marijuana once a week. And there's no evidence indicating that marijuana was a factor in the domestic violence. And it was a strict domestic violence because the person has anger issues. But the parent just decided to disclose that because they figured it was okay. They figured that it was appropriate for them to smoke marijuana once a week when the children's not around, or when they don't have custody of the children, or when they are outside the presence of the children. But regardless, the children has no knowledge of the marijuana. But the parent figured they could share it because they want to be truthful. They want to be honest. They want to show that they have nothing to hide. Well, sometimes the department will use marijuana as an allegation causing injury to your child. And they're going to categorize it as substance abuse versus substance use. Substance abuse is a indicating factor that your conduct can lead to being neglectful towards your child. Versus substance use is this occasional use, but there still has to be some sort of evidence indicating that it impaired your ability to care for your child. So in a domestic violence case, if there's no connection, then that allegation of substance abuse or use should be dismissed. If you or anyone you know is facing a child protective service case or a CPS case, make sure you contact us at Shaw Law Firm.